Okay, so let's start. Have we started exercise 9.6? This is what
Yes, sir. We were on the third question of exercise 9.6.
we were on the third question of
Yes, yes, sir. We were in A.
yeah. Third question of 9.6. Question A, third part you mean to say. Am I right? Yeah. How many parts we have done?
Sir, we have done
Sir, we have done
two. Sir, we are
three.
on third. A exercise third.
Sir, we
Your
were on
voice is not
third.
clear.
Tell me, please, how many questions we have done?
Sir, two questions of A part.
Sir, I have done 3 questions.
Sir, but the meeting was ended on two questions only.
Okay, let us do the fourth one. I hope you all can do the third one.
So please wait a minute.
Those who have not done the third one, they can try it. It's an easy one.
Sir, I have done.
So question A, fourth part. We will start with the fourth part. 10 divided by 15.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, can I tell the answer of this?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm doing it here. All of you, please concentrate. We have to divide 10 by 15. Now, 10 is a smaller number. 10 is a smaller number than 15. So what you will do in this case, you will write a
Sir, we
decimal.
were add 1 0.
Write a decimal in quotient as well as in the dividend. Decimals, both the sides. Now you can add a 0 here. So a 0, when you add a 0 after decimal, it has no value. So you can add a 0 there. Now you can forget about the decimal. Think of this number as 100. This is 100. Now 100 is greater than 15. So now you can divide. So 15 sixes are 90. 15 into 6 is equal to 90. Subtract 100 minus 90 is equal to 10. 10. 10 is the remainder.
Sir, we were, yes,
Remainder
sir.
is not 0. So you will write a 0 here again and then copy down the 0. You can add another 0 in place of dividend. You can add as many zeros as you want in dividend. So add this, copy this 0 down. Again, it becomes 100. So again, you will write 6. and 15 into 6 is equal to 90. Again, when you subtract, you get the remainder as 10, and then you copy down another 0, write a 0 here in the dividend, and copy down the 0, and again you get 100. So 100 when divided by 15, again you will write 6 here. 15 into 6 is 90. Again, when you subtract, you get 10 as the remainder. So again and again, you are getting the same remainder, 10 all the time. Let us try one more time and add another 0 and then copy down the 0. Again, it becomes 100. Again, you write 6 here and again you write 90 here. Again, you subtract, you get 10 as the remainder again. That means, what is the meaning of this? This means again and again.
It is a never-ending question.
Yes, this is a never-ending process. Very good, beta. Nice use of words. So this shows that you will never get 0 as the remainder. In this question, you will never get 0 as the remainder. So what will happen in this case? If you keep on copying down zeros from the dividend, which we can do, you will keep on getting 0.6666666 and so on. So what we can do here, instead of writing 6 many times, it will continue up to unlimited number of decimal places. Unlimited number of digits will come. So what we do here, in this case, we write dot 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 and so on. This shows that the number 666666 will keep on coming.
Good
Okay.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, just wait, beta. Hello. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Let's wait for some time. If C students are also joining the meeting. In
Good
fifth,
morning,
we
sir.
have already done these questions, so it will be a good revision for them also.
Sir,
Yes.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, yesterday due to some network problem, I left the meeting. So, unfortunately, I left it. So, I could not understand how we will do this.
Okay, no problem. I will tell.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we have done this.
Good morning, sir. Adhiraj Sharma present.
Good morning, sir. Unnati Gangwar present.
Good morning, sir. Sorry, Saxena present. Good morning, sir. Karthik Khandelwal present.
Good morning, sir. Aishman Nana present.
Yeah. So if C students have also joined the meeting.
Can we do it on our own?
Sorry.
Sir, can we do it on our own?
If you know how to do it, you can do it. So I am explaining the question again to all those who were not there in the starting of the meeting. One more time, I am explaining you the question. So you have to divide 10 by 50 and find the answer in decimal. 10 is a smaller number than 50, so you will begin with the decimal. Write a decimal here and here, both the places. Write a decimal first. Now you can add 1 0 there. So you can take 3 digits now, 100. So 100 is 100. 100 is greater than 50. So 100 when you divide by 15, you will take 6 in the quotient. 15 into 6 is
Why
90.
do we have to also do this?
15 into 6 is 90. Now 100 minus 90 is equal to 10. To get 10 is the remainder, 10. Okay. So you add more zeros here and copy down 10 from here. Again you see that it becomes 100. Again it is 100. When you copy down a 0, it becomes 100. So 100 again when divided by 50, you will take 6 in the quotient. So 6, 6. So another 6 is added here. 6 into 15 again is equal to 90. 100 minus 90, the remainder is 10. Again the remainder is 10. So copy down another 0 here. Again it becomes 100. Again you write a 6 here. 6 into 15, 90. 100 minus 90, again the remainder is 10. Copy down another 0. Again you have to write 6 here. 15 into 6 is again 90. And finally again you get the remainder as 10. So what you learn from this, that in this question you will never get remainder equals to 0. You will never get remainder equals to 0 in this case. What to do in this case? You will see that this can continue up to indefinite in infinite decimal places you can have here. Okay, infinite का meaning क्या होता है? Something which is unlimited.
Endless.
Unlimited. So you can have in endless, unlimited number of decimal places here. So simply write 66.6666 and dot 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 dot. This shows that it has infinite number of decimal places, unlimited decimal places. So what will be your answer? 10 divided by 15 is equal to 0.6666 and dot 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 dot. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, understood properly.
Very good.
Sir, I am on the 7th one.
Very good.
Sir, I have
So
done
we can
8th one.
also do the rest of the questions.
I have done 8th one. Full it.
Sir, I have done 8th one also.
Sir, I have done full. I am on question.
Sir, done all these questions.
Very good, beta, very good.
Sir, done all the questions.
Yes. Okay, now do the different please keep your mics off. Adhiraj, keep your mic off. Mute yourself. Adhiraj Sharma. I will have you. Yeah. So do the fifth one. Try the fifth one, everyone.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done all yesterday only.
Sir, we have to give our attendance in chat box or not?
No, beta, no. I have taken the screenshot.
Sir, I have done first one.
I have done.
Sir, we have to give our attendance in the chat box.
No, beta, no, not required. 44 divided by 176. 176. 44. Decimal, decimal, 0. 176. How many times? 2 times. 352. Then you subtract, you get 88 as the remainder. So copy another 0. This becomes 880. So you write 5 here. 5 into 176 is 880. Difference is 0. Now you get 0 as the difference. So what is the answer? 44 when divided by 176 is equals to
0.25.
0.25 is the answer. Check your answers, all of you.
Sir, my
Sir,
answer
correct.
is correct. Correct.
So my answer was correct.
correct.
Sir, my answer was correct.
Sir, my answer is also correct.
Very nice.
answer is
Very good.
Because of a network.
Sir, my answer is also correct.
Very good.
Sir, I have done all the questions. Sir, I am in fifth. Okay, do the sixth one on your own.
Sir, done sixth one.
Sir, I have done sixth one. Sir, I have done all questions.
Tell me
Sir,
the
I
answer.
have done all the question till 8.
Very good. Tell me the answer on sixth one, all of you.
Sir,
Sixth one
sir,
answer is
0.525.
0.525.
0.525.
0.525.
Very good. Answer of sixth one is
525.
5 to 5.
yeah.
Sir, I have done please see.
Answer of sixth one is 0.525. Fifth question.
Yes, sir.
15
I
divided.
have done this.
I am doing the seventh one here. The seventh will not get a remainder as not get the remainder as 0 in the seventh.
seventh is approx answer.
Yes, yes, yes. 15 divided by 42. Decimal, decimal. 0. 42. 3
Sir,
times.
may
126.
I do explain 9.6b question?
Yes. 15, 150. It is 150. So 3 times you will take 42 into 3 is equals to 126. What is the remainder? 24 is the remainder. So now you copy this 0. 240. 240. 42 into 5 is equals to 210. When you get subtract this, you get 30 as the remainder. Copy another 0. 300. I think it will go 7 times. 294. Subtract this, you get 6 as the remainder. Another 0 you can copy down. 60 one time. So 42 into 1, 42. Subtract this, you get 18 as the remainder. So again, you see that the remainder is not coming 0. You will not get the remainder as 0. So you can leave the answer in 4 decimal places. So how will you write this? 15 divided by 42 is equal to 0.3571, and in the bracket you write approx. Approx का meaning क्या होता है? Arav Mishra, I am removing you from the meeting. I have removed Arav Mishra from the meeting. Arav Mishra is from C section or B section?
Sir, C section.
C section. Why was he shouting like this?
Sir, I think it.
So what is the meaning of approx? We were discussing this. I have written approx in the bracket.
Approx means
Approx means
approx means this is divisible by this answer only.
Approx का meaning होता है we are not getting the remainder 0 here, so we are not doing it after this. We can do after this also. So this is not the exact answer. This means the answer is not exact. So whenever your answer is not exact, it is a nearby answer. This is a nearby answer. This is not the exact final answer. Is not this. You can keep on doing division like this, and you will get infinite number of decimal places, unlimited decimal places. So whenever you are writing a
Sir,
nearby
may
answer,
I do question B of
wait, whenever you are writing a nearby answer, you have to write approx in the bracket. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, may I do question 5? Oh, sorry, question 2 of 9.6. Exercise
Yes.
9.6. Solve the given problems.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Sir,
Now,
in the sir, sir, but I have in the 7th question, sir, I have done till on the 357 and then write on the approx. Sir, it will be correct or not?
which one?
Sir, in the 7th question, I have done till only 357. I have not written one. So, sir, it will be correct or not?
Better it is correct, but you should write till 4 decimal. Okay, with me?
Okay, sir.
Once you are doing.
Sir, can we do?
So, have you all done the 8th one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not done the 8th one?
Sir, I am not able to understand the seventh one.
Sorry?
Sir, I am not able to understand the seventh one.
Seventh one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, which part you have not understood? Why are we not dividing? We are not getting the remainder 0 or this thing or something else? From the starting, you want me to explain.
Sir, this thing only, that why are we not getting more zero as in 18 to make it 180?
We can copy down another 0, and still if you keep on dividing, you can keep on copying 0 from there. If you continue dividing, then also you will not get 0 as the remainder. So कब तक हम करते रहेंगे? It will go to infinite. It will go. It will keep on going like this. So you will never get a remainder 0 in this case also. So what to do? We can have as many decimal places as we want in this case. If you keep on dividing, you will have infinite decimal places, unlimited decimal places. But till when we are going to do it? So you leave your answer till 4 decimal places only, and write approx in the bracket. That means this is not the exact answer. We have left it here till 4 decimal places, and then you write approx in your answer. Got it?
Sir,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
sir,
sir.
Yes.
sir, is the eighth answer 0.36?
0.36. Yes, correct.
Okay, sir.
In the 8th one, the answer is 0.36.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Okay, now let's start with question B. Let's start with question B, first part. These are word problems. Okay. Word problems based on this chapter, we have to start now.
Sir, done answer number 1.
Sir, done answer number 1.
So first one, if 1 kg of sugar costs rupees 16.5, how much will 3.5 kg of sugar cost? Very simple question. Cost of 1 kg sugar.
Sir, we
How
have
much?
to write the questions also.
Rupees. Cost of 1 kg sugar is rupees 16.5. Okay. What is the cost of 3.5 kg sugar? You all have done this many times. You have done this in the chapter multiplication also. You have done this in the chapter unitary method also. So the same concept will be used here, but only difference is that the numbers are decimal. बस क्या डिफरेंस है यहाँ पर डेसिमल नंबर्स होते हैं. कॉस्ट ऑफ 3.5 kg शुगर कितना होगा? You will multiply 3.5 kg sugar is equal to 16.5 multiplied 3.5. Can you all multiply these two numbers and find the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Multiply them and find the answer.
Sir,
Or do I have to tell you how to multiply?
15.75.
Okay, I am doing the first one for you.
Sir, 57 rupees, 57.75.
Okay, let's see. 5 into 5, 25. 5, 2, 5, 6, 7, 30, 32. 3 carry. 1 of 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 8, 25. 3, 5 are 15, 1. Carry. 3, 6 are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. Carry. 4, 495. Now you add the numbers. 5, 7, again 7, 5. 5775 is the product, but now there are how many? Count the total number of decimal places. You have done this in multiplication. I hope you all remember.
1.
Total, how many decimal places are there? One is in the first number and one is in the second number. There are two decimal places. So you will go to the right side of the number and from the right side, leave two digits and put a decimal. Because total, how many decimal places are there? Two decimal places are there. तो दो digits छोड़ के आप decimal लगा दीजिए. 57.75. The answer is P's 57.75. This is
Sir,
first
we
law.
have to write the question.
No, beta, you only have to write the answer. Don't write the question. Have you all understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is easy.
Sir, how do we know that where we have to put the decimal? Sir, I could not hear because my small brother came.
Sorry, beta. Once again.
Sir, I could not hear that how we know that where we have to put the decimal in the answer.
Count the beta.
Because
This you have
my
done in
small brothers.
multiplication. In this chapter only, when you are doing multiplication, count the number of decimal places. In the first number, how many digits are there after decimal? One digit.
1.
In the second number, again 1. So total, how many digits are there after decimal? 2 digits.
2.
Total, how many digits? 2 digits are there
2.
after decimal. One from this and one from this. 2. So from the right side, leave 2 digits and put a decimal.
Okay, sir.
Leave 2 digits from the right side and put a decimal. Because how many digits are there after decimal? 2 digits are there. So in the answer also, you leave 2 digits. Okay. Do the second one, all of you. All of you have done this. Five bags of rice weigh 22 kgs, 22.725 kgs altogether. How much does each bag weigh? That is, you have to divide. Weight of 5 bags of rice is given 22.725. 22.725 kgs.
Question.
Weight of 5 bags. What will be the weight of one bag? Weight of one bag. How will you do this? What will be the weight of one bag?
Sir, we will divide.
22.725.
Sir, 4.545.
Okay, we will check. 22.725 divided by 5. You have to divide in this case. You all know how to divide now. 22.725. So
4.54 kg.
first you write 4, then 20 here. Okay. What is the difference? 2 is the difference. Now You are copying a digit after decimal. You are copying the first digit after decimal, 7. You have copied 7. Remember this? You have copied 7, so you will write decimal. Because you are copying the first digit after decimal, so you will write a decimal here. Okay, remember this, all of you? So now it becomes 27. So 5 times. 5 into 5 is 25.
The answer will be 4.545.
Now the next digit, 22 again. Again 4, 20. Difference is 2. The last digit is left, 5. Copy the 5.
So the answer is 4.545.
Correct. Remainder is 0. So your answer is 4.545 kg. This is the weight of one bag. Take a screenshot, all of you, quickly.